everything is great, but what are you gonna do with all the leftovers, right? So I had somebody ask me for leftover turkey recipes. And so the first one we're gonna do, you do right after your carcass is all cleaned up. So here we go, that is what is left. And so we're just gonna take the bones and everything left on the bones, including the skin and any kind of gelatinous cooking liquid that you had, and you're just gonna go ahead and put that into either a slow cooker or an Instant Pot. Either way, it works great. And then you can add some vegetables if you like, or you can just make the broth itself without any vegetables. I'm just gonna add a Vidalia onion because I like that little flavor in there. And I'm gonna add a sprig of rosemary. Optional, of course. Excuse me. And then we're gonna add cold water to the lime, or to cover. At least half of it. So I'm gonna grab a little more. And you can cook this on low, in a slow cooker for 8 hours, or you can cook it in an Instant Pot and just keep it on the soup setting. All right, so you can see it's about halfway up. It's in there. I had to push the bones down a little bit, but that is okay. I did remove any extra meat that I had because we're going to make a turkey salad with this, or you can make turkey enchiladas or all kinds of recipes. So I'm going to share a bunch of recipes for what you can do with all the leftovers. But this one is important because you can make sausage, you can use it as soup, all kinds of great things. You can make it spicy. If you wanted to make it a little spicier, you could add some chilies to it or some dried chilies. Lots of variation. As always, even though we cooked it with salt and pepper, we're still going to add a bit of salt and pepper to it. If you like garlic, you can add garlic cloves. I'm allergic, so I don't add that. But when I used to be able to eat it, I definitely added that in there. So here's what we got. You got your turkey, your bones, the water, your rosemary, and your onion in there. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the Instant Pot, set it for pressure soup. It will do all the work for me, super easy. Or you can put it in your slow cooker and just let it go, and your house will smell amazing, so it's perfect. I like to serve that with some sourdough bread that I already made this morning, but you could just have it plain and add your vegetables at the end. So what I normally do, once it's completely done, I take out all the bones, I leave in the meat, I let it cook down just a little more to give it a more rich flavor. I adjust my seasoning, and then you can add to it whatever you like. I tend to like it just plain, so that's me. You can do what you like. I will come back and I will show you how to do the turkey salad tomorrow. Probably you'll be still eating at this point, so I had an early guest this morning, so I really did breakfast, but I had this turkey that I made last night for today, but I'm actually serving prime rib. So I hope that you all have a very happy Thanksgiving. Use those leftovers. Don't let that turkey carcass go to waste. Make some soup. You will thank me later. It's so good. And you know, if you have a cold chicken turkey soup, it's perfect. Again, the meat we're going to use tomorrow for a salad. Hello, happy Thanksgiving. We'll make turkey salad and some turkey enchiladas. All right, my loves, take care. I will talk to you tomorrow.